Hello, everyone. Yes, I often use delivery services, especially for food. And my family usually orders pizza or noodles online. I like to order from a popular app. It's so easy to use. Wow, that was fast. Delivery services are so convenient. I sometimes use delivery services for books too. Yay! My new books are here! I feel so excited when I receive new books.
I feel excited when I receive my new books.
I also often use delivery services for snacks and drinks. I like to order from a good app because it's very easy to use. Delivery services are so efficient and helpful.
They help us stay at home when the weather is bad.
Delivery services are very fast and convenient. They help us save a lot of time and effort. It really makes our lives easier. I feel satisfied and happy after I receive my order. Thanks for watching, everyone! So as you can see, delivery services are truly amazing. They make our lives so much easier, whether it's for food, books, or snacks. So go ahead and give delivery services a try.
They really make life better.
Bye, everyone!